Warning, there is flashing lights in this video. Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to show you my EDC pocket dump as of right now. First, always have my handkerchief, bandana. A little bit of duct tape. My Zippo. Just my fire kit, my keys, have a monkey fist, AK-47 bottle opener. I've had won this in Wolfsden's No BS reviews giveaway not too long ago. House keys and whatnot. This is my daughter's phone. My phone I'm actually using to make this video, so you can't see it, but my phone is an iPhone 5S. My wallet. Just in case anybody's curious, we're going to take a peek at the wallet here. It's got a little pocket here. It is Velcro. It's trifold. Memory card slots, or whatever you want to put there, I guess. There's lots of underneath pockets. Pouch. Pretty decent wallet. Cordura. It's from Wrapped On Tactical Gear. I got it on Amazon. They have probably 8 different colors. It's got the American flag on it. It's a Cordura 6.6 nylon 1000D, 18 compartments, pockets. It's got the carabiner loop, which I do not use. Zippered packet, multi-currency divider, and hook and loop closure. Yeah, it's pretty decent. I got my Gerber multi-tool. Gerber suspension multi-tool. And I've got a review on this on my page if you want to see more about it. Of course, my knife that I did carry till today. The clip broke off. It's Camulus titanium. Had it for a couple of years. We got my REM light flashlight. It was a bargain deal I got on Amazon. Very bright, has the SOS. It's fairly decent light. It'd be better if it was dark out. There's bright and dim. SOS. Put the video in. We're going to find out the winner here in a second. Congratulations, Ken Henniesville. Sweet GAW, Mr. Count Me In. Well, congratulations. I'm going to just go through and verify you did all the rules correctly. Congratulations, Ken. Hey guys.
giveaways.